Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class student. Today date is 10 July 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 3. Name of the chapter plants. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video I explained you the structure of a seed. Okay, what are the parts of the seed? That is, the outer hard covering is known as seed coat. Inside the seed coat is a baby plant. Okay, and cotyledon is the food for the baby plant. The second important thing which I explained you is that germination of the seed. The process by which a seed grows into a new baby plant or seedling is called it germination. So what are the steps we should follow? What are the steps are followed at the time of germination of seed? That we have already discussed in the previous video. Now student, today video, the topic which I will explain you, that is the dispersal of seeds. Why dispersal of seed is very important? So student, the dispersal of seed is very important. If all the seeds which are formed in the plant, they fell near the main plant, then what's happened? If all the seeds which are produced by the plant fall near the main plant, then what happens? The new plants which come out of the soil, they will not get enough air, water and minerals for their growth, and even they don't have enough space between them. Is it clear? If the seeds which are produced in the plants, they all fall near the main plant, it means from which plant that seeds are produced. So what happen in that condition? The new plants which come out from the seed, they will not get air, water and minerals, and even they have no space. They get very less space. So that is the reason dispersal of the seed is very important. Is it clear? That is the reason dispersal of seed is very important. Otherwise, if there is a proper dispersal of a seed, then the new baby plant which come out from the seed, so it will get enough space, air, water and minerals, and that plant grow as a healthy plant. So to avoid this, nature has provided means of scattering the seeds far off from the main plant. So the process, what is dispersal of seeds, student? The process of secreting, process of secreting or you can say spreading spreading of seeds far and wide is known as dispersal of seeds. Okay, the process of secreting or spreading of seeds far and wide is known as dispersal of seed. So if the all the seed which are produced by the plants fall near the main plant, then what's happen, the new baby plant which come out of the seed, they will not get enough space for their growth and they don't grow as a healthy plant. So that is the reason, what happened. So that is the reason nature has provided means of secreting of a seeds far off from the main plant. Okay, that is the reason nature has provided means of dispersal of a seeds away from the main plant, and that is the reason the process of scattering or spreading, the process of scattering or spreading of seeds far and wide from the main plant from which these seeds are produced, that is known as dispersal of the seed. Is it clear? अगर बेटा जो न्यू प्लांट्स हैं, ठीक है, अगर जो प्लांट सीड प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, ऑल द सीड, सारे सीड उसके अगल बगल ही गिर जाएंगे, तो क्या होगा, जो न्यू प्लांट सीड से आएंगे उनको इनफ स्पेस नहीं मिलेगी फॉर देयर ग्रोथ, ठीक है, और जो न्यू प्लांट्स आएंगे वो हेल्दी भी नहीं होंगे, क्योंकि इन वेरी लेस स्पेस देयर आर मेनी प्लांट्स। इसलिए नेचर ने क्या कुछ ऐसे मेथड्स बनाए जिससे कि ये जो सीड्स हैं जो मेन प्लांट से बहुत दूर इनका डिस्पर्सल हो, फार अवे फ्रॉम द मेन प्लांट से इनका डिस्पर्सल एक प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस पे हो, ठीक है, तो इसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं डिस्पर्सल्स ऑफ सीड। सो वन बाय वन वी विल डिस्कस। अब देखो, व्हाट आर द एजेंट्स, विंड, वाटर, एनिमल एंड एक्सप्लोजन। विंड, वाटर, animals and explosion. So these are the method by which the seeds are dispersal of seeds take place, by the wind or by the water or by the animals or by the explosion, ठीक है, these are the agent. So by this method the seeds are dispersed from far away from the main plant. Is it clear? So now one by one we will discuss all the agents which are involved in the dispersal of a seeds. Start with the okay. So student, those seeds which are dispersed by a winds, that seeds which are carried away by the wind, that are very light in weight. Is it clear? That are very light in weight, and the seeds have hair and wings to which they are carried away by the wind far away. Okay, so you can note down also. Some plants some plants that disperse their seeds by wind, so their seeds their seeds are are very light in weight. So the seeds which are dispersed by the wind, that seeds are very light in weight. Okay, and you will see these seeds have fine hairs and wings, due to which they are carried away by the wind. An example are dandelion, maple and cotton. So dandelion is a flower. Okay, so dandelion is the examples are dandelion, cotton and maple. So what is a dandelion? Dandelion is a flower. ठीक है, when the flower dry, then its seeds are dispersed very far away by the wind. Okay, then its seeds are dispersed by the wind. And cotton and maple, these are tree. ठीक है, कॉटन और मैपल क्या है बेटा, ये ट्री हैं, और जो डैंडेलियन जो है ये आपका फ्लावर है. सो इनके सीड्स क्या बहुत लाइट वेट होते हैं, सीड में हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है विंग्स की तरह, and that is the reason through the wind these seeds are carried very far away from the main plant. Is it clear? Now next is the fruits. Water, next is agent is the water. So especially those plant जो वाटर के आसपास ग्रो करते हैं, ठीक है, तो उनके सीड वाटर के थ्रू दे मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. ठीक है, स्पेशली जो प्लांट्स हैं, ठीक है, दे ग्रो नियर द वाटर बॉडीज. ठीक है, वाटर बॉडीज के नियर जिन जो प्लांट्स ग्रो होते हैं, स्पेशली इन टाइप्स के प्लांट्स की सीड का डिस्पर्सल कैसे होता है बेटा, वाटर से होता है. इज इट क्लियर? लाइक example is the lily flower plant, coconut tree and lotus are dispersed by water. So the seeds of these plant, and these plants are found near the water bodies, so the seeds of these plants, lily, coconut is a tree, and lotus, their seeds are dispersed by water, and the seeds are carried by water to far off places. So example are lily, coconut and lotus. So these plants are near the water bodies, and that is the reason their seeds are dispersed by the water. Okay, and another special quality of this seeds which are dispersed, whose dispersal is through the water, is that they float on the water. ठीक है, अगर पानी में डूब जाएंगे तब तो वो खत्म हो जाएंगे. So there is some special quality in the seeds of these plants, that seed of these plants are adapted to float on water. ठीक है, तभी तो वो far away distance पे जाएंगे. Is it clear? So that is the reason. For example, coconut tree example also I have given on the board. Coconut have a thick fibrous outer shell that makes them light and waterproof. ठीक है, आपने कोकोनट जब भी ब्रेक करके खाया होगा तो पहले आउटर शेल उसका निकालना होता है, तब फिर आप खाते हो. इज इट क्लियर? तो वो क्या है, वाटर प्रूफ है. और दैट कैन फ्लोट ऑन द वाटर, वो वाटर में डूबेगा नहीं, इट कैन फ्लो ऑन द वाटर. ओके, सो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल. सो स्टूडेंट, वाटर का भी हो गया. वाटर में वो प्लांट्स आएंगे दोज हु आर नियर द वाटर बॉडीज, लाइक लिली है, कोकोनट है, लोटस है. ठीक है, इनके सीड्स क्या होते हैं, वाटर प्रूफ है और दे कैन फ्लोट ऑन द वाटर. दैट इज द रीजन दे गो फार अवे थ्रू वाटर. नेक्स्ट इज द next heading which we will study in this is the animals. So student, when we are talking about the animals and bird eat the fruit and they throw the seed here and there in the surrounding. This is the also method of dispersal of a seed. When the seed they throw the seeds in the surrounding, as soon as the seed get buried under the soil they germinate. ठीक है, तो एक मेथड तो ये भी है. एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स क्या फ्रूट्स खाते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे मैंगो का है, पैरोट आपने सुना होगा. तो they in this manner they eat the fruit and do the and throw the seeds here and there in the surrounding. और जब वो सीड सॉइल के नीचे बरिड हो जाता है, दब जाता है, तो उसमें से न्यू प्लांट्स क्या जर्मिनेट हो जाते हैं. उन सीड्स में से न्यू बेबी प्लांट जर्मिनेट हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, एक तो ये मेथड भी है. अनदर मेथड इज दैट द जो सीड्स, जो कुछ सीड्स ऐसे होते हैं बेटा जिनका जो सीड कोट होता है वो बड़ा हार्ड होता है. ठीक है, सम सीड्स कम आउट फ्रॉम द फेसेस ऑफ द एनिमल्स आल्सो. जब एनिमल पॉटी करते हैं ना तो उनकी पॉटी में भी सीड्स निकलते हैं. इस तरह भी वो सॉइल में जब बरीड हो जाते हैं तो जर्मिनेट कर जाते हैं. तो ऐसे सीड का जो आउटर कोट होता है वो बड़ा हार्ड होता है एंड दिस इज नॉट डाइजेस्ट बाय द एनिमल्स. So when they and this seed come out through the body of the animal in the form of the feces. ठीक है, so in this manner also the dispersal of seed take place. Okay, already it is also given in the book also. For example, they grow to mango, cherry and papaya. Okay, ये तो उसके एग्जाम्पल से जो एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड सीड्स को थ्रो करते हैं सराउंडिंग्स में. सो दैट एग्जाम्पल्स आर मैंगो, चेरी, इट इज आल्सो अ फ्रूट, रेड कलर फ्रूट, एंड पपाया. पपाया तो सबने देखा होगा, जो पपीता का फल होता है, फ्रूट होता है. एंड व्हेन यू ओपन दिस देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सीड्स इनसाइड दिस पपाया. ओके, सो द सीड्स ऑफ दीज प्लांट्स आर डिस्पर्स्ड with the help of the animal and birds, with the help of animals and the birds. Okay, and for example guava है and berries. ठीक है, so the outer covering, outer seed coat of this seeds is very hard. Even the animals eat the fruit, but they are not digest in the body of the animal, so they come out from the faces of the animals also. So in this method way also the seed is dispersed. Okay. Another method is that, another way of dispersal of seed is that some of the seeds get stuck to the animal fur. कुछ सीड्स, कुछ प्लांट के सीड्स क्या होते हैं, हुक की तरह होते हैं, और प्लांट्स ऑलवेज मूव इन द search of a food. So when they are near to such type of a plant, then that seeds stuck into their fur. In this manner also the seed disperse from one place to another. ठीक है, इस मेथड से सीड वन प्लेस से अनदर प्लेस डिस्पर्सल हो जाता है सीड का. And human beings are also responsible. We also bring lot of fruit in our houses to eat, and after that we also throw the seeds of the plant. So in this manner we also help in the dispersal of a seeds. Okay, human beings also help in the dispersal of seed, because we also eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, and after eating the fruits we throw the seeds in the surroundings. So this is the also the method how the seeds are dispersed, by the dispersal of seed take place by the human beings. ठीक है, अब ये एनिमल्स के थ्रू सीड डिस्पर्सल है, इसका पूरा रिकैप्चुलेशन आपको मैं करा देता हूँ. ठीक है, when I explain you 4 things in this. First is that seeds are dispersed by the animals and bird. They eat the fruit and throw the seeds in the surrounding. For example of such type of a plants are mango. ठीक है, in this I write the example on the board. Seeds dispersed by animals and birds. Example, mango, cherry, this is also a fruit, red color fruit, and papaya. So this is the one way. Okay, another method of dispersal of the seed is that animal eat the some of the fruits, but their seed coat is so that they are unable to digest them. वो उनके बॉडी में डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता, और दे कम आउट फ्रॉम द बॉडी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए फेसेस. जब वो पॉटी करते हैं तो भी वो सीड उनके पॉटी से बाहर आ जाता है. तो दिस इज आल्सो द method how the dispersal of seed take place. So and example of such type of a seed. Okay, seeds come out of the droppings of animals. Example, guava and berries. Okay, and next thing which I explained you, the method of dispersal of the seed is that, next thing is that many times it has been seen that the animals moving in search of a food. So some seeds having hook like structure, so they stuck into the fur of the animals. In this manner the seed dispersal of seed take place. and by the human beings also, because we also eat lot of fruits and we bring fruits in our houses, and after eating the food we are throwing these throwing seeds outside in the surrounding. So this is the also method of dispersal of the seed. Now next is the explosion. Next is the explosion. Next is the explosion. Fruit of peas, fruits of peas balsam and touch me not plant. Touch me not. Burst, open or explode when they dry. So here you are able to understand, it is also shown in the picture also. This is a piece, it is inside the buds. Okay, it is inside the pods. Okay, this is known as pods. For example, I draw one diagram for you. So these are the seeds जो आप लोग मटर खाते हो ना, ग्रीन, ठीक है. सो दीज आर पीज, ठीक है, जिसको आप हिंदी में मटर बोलते हो. सो हाउ व्हाट हैपन, और जो जिसके अंदर ये पैक हैं, ठीक है, दैट आउटर कवरिंग इज नोन एज पॉड्स. इस आउटर कवरिंग को हम लोग पॉड्स बोलते हैं. सो dispersal of the seed of these types of a plant in this, sun is also responsible. Is it clear? Here the sun is responsible for the dispersal of these types of a seed which are inside the pods, because due to the heat of the sun these pods dry up and explode. क्योंकि सन की जो लाइट की जो हीट होती है, इससे जो पॉट्स हैं, ये पॉट्स ग्रीन है, बट ड्यू टू द कंटिन्यूअस लाइट ऑफ द सन व्हाट हैपन, दीज पॉट्स विल ड्राई अप एंड इट एक्सप्लोड इन दिस मैनर एंड दे ऑल आर राउंड इन शेप. ठीक है, ये राउंड इन शेप है. तो जब एकाएक फटेगी ये पॉड तो ये एक्सप्लोड करेगा, एकाएक फटेगा तो सीड्स जो है मेन प्लांट से फार अवे हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द also method how the seeds are dispersal of seed take place by explode. Okay, and this one where I balsam, this is the flowering plant. ये क्या है, फ्लावरिंग प्लांट है. ठीक है, सो this is a flowering plant and in this also due to the sunlight the pods become dry and the seeds of this also come out with the explosion. ठीक है, pods जब ड्राई हो जाएंगे तो ये भी ब्रस्ट होना या एक्सप्लोड होके ये सीड्स भी इस पॉट से बाहर आते हैं. ठीक है, इन दिस मैन आल्सो एंड द सेम इन टच मी नॉट प्लांट आल्सो. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, one topic is only left in this chapter, that is the vegetative propagation. So I will continue that topic in the next video. So thank you student.